My goal in doing this TV show, today's episode, is to help you on one small point of Islamic Sharia law. And that is to show you that Islamic Sharia law calls for the execution of a Muslim who leaves his faith. And that Saudi Arabia, who has announced that this young man is going to be beheaded because he left Islam, Saudi Arabia is committed to following Sharia law. The end. I invite you, if you're watching on television, I invite you to go to our website and look at this episode again. Send a link to your friends and say, look, if you want to understand what's going on, watch this one show that Randall did. Okay? That's number one. Number two, you can go to our website and see 4 lengthy treatises that I wrote for my master's work dealing with Muhammad, the Muslim Brotherhood, Sharia law, the deeds and words of Islamic terrorists, showing that those devout Muslims, whether they be Al-Qaeda or Islamic State or the rulers of Saudi Arabia, that they are following the narrative laid down by Muhammad. Now, when Obama does what he does to protect the image of Islam, it disgusts me because it's so deceitful. It's so untrue. It's not based in history. It's not based in reality. But I thought to myself, I wonder if he is trying to be Islam's Martin Luther. In other words, you hear people lately say, what Islam needs is a reformation. Maybe Obama is trying to get some disgruntled Muslims to band together and to try and overthrow Sharia law. Yeah, we believe Muhammad was the prophet of God, but we don't want to implement Sharia law, and we don't want to kill Muslims who leave the Muslim faith. We don't want to cut off people's hands for certain crimes. So maybe he's trying to bring them out into the open. The problem is when people have done that in our lifetime, when scholars have said, well, we can separate Islam from Sharia law and from the political demands of Islam, guess what happened to them? They were murdered. They were killed in more than one country because they're considered an apostate at that point. You see, it's a closed system. And once you get in it, you have to follow its rules. And that means death to a Muslim who leaves his faith.